Hi traders, welcome to Kajane Trade and Train. Today's video is about intraday trading, Banknifty, today's review and prediction for tomorrow. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. Learn small techniques, trade with no fear and no greed, and keep your trading as simple as possible. You will see in today's what are all the key price points provided by the CPR. This is R1 important key price level and previous day high. Previous day high and today's R1 is very close to each other. Two prices are very close. I told this will become a strong resistance for today's. See, candles opened here and faced strong resistance here and took the U-turn and coming to downside. Today's CPR is inside CPR. It is a trending day. Inside CPR, it is a trending day, but could not take on a upside or a downside because on upside market faced strong resistance at R1 and previous day high, so market bounced back to downside and it faced it took the support at 200 periods moving average and could not move, and ultimately it moved in a sideways direction. CPR opening trick opened within CPR. Candles opened within CPR. When candles opened within CPR, it says it is a sideways market. See how it has proved it is a sideways market. CPR is home for candles. When candles are opened within CPR, CPR attracts the candle towards the CPR like a mother and like a children. Always mother brings the children inside the home. That means it is today's is a sideways market. For non-directional, no trade because today is the first day of the weekly expiry. There is no much decay in the premium. Direction also no trade because there is no breakouts in the today's market. We will see tomorrow's prediction. Tomorrow's prediction, that means 9th August prediction, is yesterday's CPR means today's CPR, and this is Monday's CPR levels. It is almost similar to one and the same with marginal differences. See, 35,900 CPR, 35,900 CPR. Whatever holds good for today's, it will extend for Monday also. Narrow CPR, trending day, it will move in a single direction. It will not respect R1, R2 or S1, S2, previous day low or previous day high. Inside value CPR, trending probability is very high. CPR opening trick, it depends on the opening candles on Monday. For non-directional, no trade because it will be a trending day. Directional traders, yes, depends on the opening candle. Make a proper trade setup, then trade with no fear and no greed. Keep your trading as simple as possible. To learn all these techniques, we are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturday and Sunday to learn and earn. My contact number 96866 85157. Thank you.